button up your the ECU area down there.
So what?
Like button up that ECU area.
Yeah, I did both or something.
Okay. Just have
It doesn't go, it doesn't work. Go fall down.
Is it because it's a CX?
I'm not sure.
The CX hatchbacks, I don't think had it.
Oh, okay. It should. And it falls down. I adjusted and it falls back down.
Yeah, they may have changed. I thought some of these didn't. Was this car automatic?
No. I don't think so. Well, they made the cable for the H swap.
Well, over there, like, because there's a hole there? It might have been. Unless they cut it, I was just curious. Is that in right there?
Yeah, that's in.
Okay. Are you going on here or over there?
I'm right here. I go on here. It's up to you. It doesn't matter.
Do you leave your heater on a little bit?
Yeah.
That's smart. I used to do that when I had a heater.
Oh, you're clean.
Yeah, there's no one out. Is he coming in?
Yeah, he's coming home.
What's your red line?
74. Like 75.
75?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then your third is a little weird. Slow. all good. It's has some areas where it's not smooth, super smooth, huh?
Yeah.
Is your seat bolted down all the way?
I don't know. Might not. Maybe not. Oh man, that sucks. You were going pretty fast.
I felt like we had a solid lap.
I thought so too. Maybe some of the guys captured it. So we'll see if they caught it or not. How does it feel?
It feels solid, and there's obviously some areas of improvement.
Right.
It's not super like smooth, the throttle.
Yeah.
So that right there, that's not a big deal though. I feel like your third gear is kind of gutless.
What do you mean?
When you put in a third,
yeah.
it's just not as strong as...
Is that smooth, right? Transition?
Yes. But other than that, like, you know, like with bushings and more seat time, the biggest thing for me was the seat. I'm so used to mine now after just 3 events. Like, it was hard, like, because I'm trying to, like, hold my body.
Yeah.
And then I think it's, yeah, see, it's loose.
Oh, yeah. I'm missing a bolt or two.
So it feels a little weird.
Okay.
But it's solid for what it is, man.
Right? I mean,
the tires feel good, too.
Feel fucking good.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Feels good.
Even your brakes don't even feel bad.
Nah, not that bad.
No, you saw how far I was trying to go in. You just have to trust it, and when we get out of the car, I'll tell you why. It's kind of easier to talk.
Where would you brake?
Like, I was probably braking like a 3, like 2.5, 2-ish, trying to.
And you go down third? Or
yeah, and then I'll just try to go like,
in there, then third?
Like, yeah, and I'll do third. I even went to second in your car. I try to brake straight and then turn.
Okay.
So don't brake turning, because that's what throws your back end out. And then I like second here. I try to come in. Try to come in and then cut and let the car pull plus power. Go. Stay late. Downshift. 90. So you're straight here. Stay in second here.
Okay.
All the way through here, 2 seconds. So let's try to stay in that corner. It's gonna take getting used to. Like, I have a lot more experience. But around that last S, you want to be in second gear, full throttle. Okay. And then that's when you have to do one hand, you have to go into third. Okay. After a while, it becomes natural and you're just used to it. Okay. Like me and Andrew do it all the time. I actually was trying third gear there, but my car's underpowered, so I have to go back to second. Okay. But coming around, like say with the pitch straight.
Are you in gear?
Shit, I was. I'm sorry.
Oh, I was like, what the hell? It's like a giant.
You're like, what's that noise? And that's the brakes. That noise?
No, it's not. No.
Right there, you got the brakes. But coming around, say the pitch straight, and you hit the horseshoe. Like, I would stay in second gear in your car, like downshift to second, and then just modulate power depending on how much you feel like, how much grip you have.
Just run the car.
And then,
Just run the car.
Yeah. It feels solid though, I like it.
Yeah.
Just need to fix your seat a little bit.
Yeah. Odds and ends.
Yeah, of course.
Little small things.
Do all the little things that make a big difference.
Yeah.
Like if I, like, you know, you were talking about a seat, I would just get something that you like.
Anything?
Yeah, like just what you like and what you want to spend money on. Like there's some really cool race equip seats that are only like 500 bills.
Okay.
I was actually gonna get one of those before I bought the Buddy Club. but I like the Buddy Club, and I have all the Buddy Club parts, that's why I bought it. And I actually really like it.
Like a lot.
That's fucking, for you and I, it's probably fine, but for like thick body boys like Alex or Machine Type, we were talking about it over there too. That's neutral, right?
Yeah.
Oh, your e-brake.
Yeah, it holds a little.
Oh, so that doesn't roll off.
Something's wrong, huh? Is that kind of rough?
Just a little low.
Let's see what happens.
You want the keys in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for letting me drive it.